The Sail Melbourne event has been, in many ways, a world leader for a long time.
This is top regatta, now it's World Cup.
The Sailing World Cup is really the first initiative by the International Sailing Federation to give sailing a focus on a global basis. So it's a big deal.
It's growing every year. There's more international boats this year than I think the last few, and it's been really hard competition.
You've got the absolute creme de la creme here, and it's an incredible event.
Port Phillip Bay is a beautiful place to sail.
I love the sea breezes down here, massive waves and stuff, it's good fun.
It's great to sail down here, it's always great conditions.
It's really nice, especially when we're on the water and we can look up and see the city and everything.
Melbourne's great for its entertainment and we just love the area, so there's always lots of fun to be had.
We've had a great event here. We've had a little bit of everything in terms of the conditions. The club have done a fantastic job, all the organisers, everyone involved with the event.
I don't think anywhere in Australia have we got a grandstand for sailing like you've got at this club.
As the years go on, it will draw the masses to Melbourne. It'll be a huge international regatta, and that'll be very exciting.